Hello everyone. So today we'll be discussing the filter theory that was actually developed by Broadbent in the year 1956. Now, this theory is also called the bottleneck theory, which very clearly suggests that the individuals, they have a limited amount of attentional resources that they can use at one time. Therefore, the information and the stimuli, they are filtered somehow so that only the most important information is perceived, you know. And now, of course, this theory says very clearly that there are too many stimuli which are simultaneously, so to say, together, they are entering our receptors and actually causing or creating a kind of a bottleneck situation. Now, what is this bottleneck situation? So, it is basically a point of congestion, a point of traffic, or so to say, when there are too many stimuli grouped together or they're literally overlapping, there are too many of them. Therefore, it actually causes traffic or it causes a lot of congestion, you know. Then what happens is they move through the short term memory system, and then from the short term memory system, they enter the selective filter. Now, the selective filter will allow only one stimulus to pass through for the higher levels of processing. Now, it is actually the selective filter which is making a difference here. It's going to permit only one stimulus to pass through, and literally from there, they will get into the higher levels of processing. And all the other stimuli, if you see, they have actually been screened out or they have literally been shunned, from that particular moment of time. So at that very moment of time, all the others are shunned or they are screened out or they are literally filtered out, and only one stimulus is taken into consideration with the help of the selective filter. It goes in for the higher levels of processing, and then we actually become aware of only that one stimulus, which is getting the access. It is getting the access through the selective filter. So this was the theory which was actually developed by Broadbent in the year 1956. Thank you so much.